baggage easily and safely with accessory storage solutions for your BMW luggage compartment. The BMW shaped load floor mat is available specifically for your BMW model. Place it in your trunk to protect your floor lining when you load rough or dirty items. It also keeps the load from sliding. Alternatively, or additionally, you can also install the BMW Boot Sill protective mat by simply tying the straps on the corners through the tie hooks right behind the loading edge. Spread it out to protect your load floor. Or roll out the carpet. Folding the mat over the loading edge protects your car when you lift bulky, rough or dirty items into the luggage compartment, or when you let your VIP passenger get in. To keep luggage in place, cover it with a BMW Luggage Compartment Net. Hook the net's corners on one side in the tie hooks of your trunk and secure your luggage under the net by hooking in on the other side. Or simply think inside the box. Use the BMW folding luggage box to keep your luggage compartment tidy and protected when packing smaller items. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.